Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Kiwi dollar is trying to break above the 61% Fibonacci retracement. Now, this is a weekly time frame fib level. We have to go all the way up to the weekly time frame to see that this is the Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down on the weekly. Now, it could possibly pull back here and it could respect this area and make a much bigger move to the downside. But it could also just keep on pushing up to the 78% and beyond. When the monthly, weekly, and daily are all in uptrends, you have to be very, very, very careful about sorting. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, if we get a breaker structure down on the 1 hour, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on there. I would observe the market to see if it's impulsive, as in it like goes down and breaks this structure also, or whether it's corrective, like it's a correction to this last wave up. If it does break down this right here, then I would, like I said, put my fib on there. And if it's like makes a very corrective overlapping three-wave pattern down to a Fibonacci retracement of this last move up and then engulfing up, I definitely would continue to look for longs every single chance I get. Like I said, when the trend is up on every single time frame, you need to be very cautious about sorting it. I personally would like to see the daily at least make an engulfing move to the downside before I would even think about going short. Otherwise, I'm doing absolutely nothing but looking for logs at the end of every single pullback I see on these sort of time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.